guys, what's going on? This is James Paradise, Paradise Lifestyles. We're under quarantine right now. We're in the Caribbean and Mexico. I'm just making some guacamole dip. Let me tell you what we got going on. Hey, really quick, don't get off this video. Stay on this video because I'm going to show you how to make a lot of money online like I've been doing for the last 9-10 years. That's what I've been doing. I make money online and I teach people how to do it live. But right now under quarantine, we're making some guacamole dip. We got our avocado, onion, tomato, lime juice, garlic. We got some cilantro, and we got some tortilla chips. Let's make guacamole, but stay tuned. As I'm making this, I'm going to show you what you need to do step by step so you can make a fortune online while you're at home under quarantine with the coronavirus. Let's get started. Boom. My paradise lifestyle comes from this right here. These are the questions you want to ask yourself while you're sitting at home during the coronavirus scare under quarantine. Number one, what am I going to do? Am I going to make more money during the coronavirus scare under quarantine, sitting at my ass at home doing nothing? What am I going to do? Number two, why are you going to do it? Number three, where are you going to do it? Number four, when are you going to do it? And number five, the most important is, how do I get started? These are the questions you should be getting answered right now. If you already haven't had these answered over the last 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20 years since the internet's been around, and you are not currently making at least $1,000 every week, $1,000 a week minimum, selling products and services online, you need to answer these questions right now. Okay guys, we got our guacamole dip. We're going here. I chopped up some garlic, onion, and cilantro. Okay, you want to chop it up real small, and then you want to add some lime juice. You don't need a lot, just a little. You squeeze that lime juice in there. Ooh, that's really good. Yeah, this is going to be really good. Let's keep going. Oh, and make sure you let me show you how to chop up this. We need more lime juice. Let's go. Yeah. Oh! It's like when I take a pee-pee. Money. If you lost your job, if your business has been shut down, or you're just not making any more money, you're currently working at home but it's not working, it's because you have to change everything you've been doing. If you're doing the same thing that you were doing even just 8 weeks ago, back in early March, it's not going to work anymore because people are living in fear and they need help. So what are you going to do different? That's the first thing we're going to answer. Okay guys, now we're going to take a little tomato. When you slice your tomato, make sure you get rid of the little ends there. You know, you never know whose little fingers are all over these little tomatoes. And then you chop it up nice and thin. Don't cut your fingers off. I'll give you another class on how to chop stuff in a little bit. And make sure it's really small. You chop it up real small, okay, like this. Real small pieces. Oh! No, I'm kidding, I'm okay. All right, keep watching my videos to build up more clients and customers and get back to business. So you gotta answer this question, why the hell am I gonna make money online? And why am I gonna do it with somebody like James Paradise? That's number two, and we're gonna get to that next. Here we go. We got avocado, and we're gonna take this avocado out of here. You take a spoon, you just scoop it out like this, okay? Sometimes you get the whole thing out in one shot, like that. Wow, look at that, okay? And then you get the rest of it out here like this. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna chop this up. You're gonna chop it up and mush it. And we're gonna make mush a moosh, because I'm from the New York City area. A moosh with a guac. So then we have a guacamoosh and a moosh and a guac. And forget that, even though I'm trying to be funny here. But we're making guacamole dip. Stay tuned, because I am going to show you how I make money on the internet while I'm at home under quarantine in the Caribbean. It is drop dead gorgeous outside. By the way, we have a beach day. It's 90 degrees. Absolutely drop dead gorgeous. But the bad news is I have a beautiful, beautiful beach right down the road, and we can't even go to it because they closed it. Mother! Okay, number 3, or in Spanish, because I'm in the Caribbean in Mexico right now, having a great time. There's not a lot of coronavirus here, but we are under quarantine until about May 30th. Number 3 is where? Where am I going to do this? Where am I going to make money online? Well, I've been traveling the world for 3 years. I've been to almost 32 countries in 36 months. I've made all my money online. Where? Everywhere. You need a really good, strong Wi-Fi internet signal. You need a laptop, and you really need a good phone. But you don't even need a laptop anymore. I can show you how to make money anywhere, right from your phone. When I travel, I work in the airports. I work in the Delta Sky Miles Lounge. I'm a Delta Sky Miles multi-million-dollar member, and I work everywhere. Let me say that one more time. You can make money online from home, sitting on your ass a couple hours a day, while you are under quarantine, anywhere. That's where I'm going to show you how to do it. Show you a little trick, because in the guacamole, the avocado skin, we're going to use this for something else. Maybe a little bikini to cover my nipples. But you push. See all that extra avocado you can get out of there? Look at that. You push with your thumbs and just squeeze it out of there. Look at all that. Oh, look at all that. That is amazing. That is so good. I'm going to try some. Is there anything on my teeth? Okay. Let's keep going. 4, here we go, is when. When should I do this? That's pretty simple, man, unless you've been living under a rock for the last 10 years. Right now. How about right now? How about today, right now? How about right now? Did I say now? Let's do it right now. When? Now. How about now? How about tomorrow? No, how about today? How about right now? How about in 1 hour, 60 to 90 minutes, 1 hour to 1.5 hours, I show you exactly when you're going to make your money. And I'm talking right now. Let's keep going. Tomatoes, the onion, the garlic, just mush it, and you're gonna make like a paste, like a toothpaste. Like you can even brush your teeth with it, right? But this is gonna be amazing. Mush it all up. I'll show you the final stage of this guacamole dip, and then I'm gonna show you how to make a lot of money while you're at home during the coronavirus under quarantine. Let's keep going. Okay, so right now I'm in Mexico, going into the supermarket just to buy a couple things, some food. And this is what they're doing here. They're going to take my temperature on my head, and then they're going to... But right now, it is April 2020, and during this coronavirus, sitting at home on your ass for 2 to 3 hours under quarantine, how are you going to do this? I'm going to give you the number 1 way to do it right now. Why don't you follow me, listen to me, and I will simply show you how to get it done and get it started. How? In a couple of steps. In a couple of hours, and you can be on your way making money. I don't guarantee you're going to do shit, but I guarantee I can show you how. Let's get moving. Pow. You can add anything you want. Don't go too crazy. But here, let's make it a little fun. You actually take the avocado skin, clean it out, and you present it like this, right? Look at that. Does that look amazing or what? Woohoo! That is sexy. It actually looks like a couple of nice nipples, which makes it even more delicious. Have some fun. Look at that guacamole dip. And this only took literally about 10 minutes to make. You can serve that to yourself. You can serve it to your family and friends. But more importantly, I'm going to show you how to make a lot of money online with a brand new simple system we created here. And actually, I created with a couple of multimillionaires online over the last 6 to 8 weeks. And I'm going to show you how to make a lot of money sitting at home on your ass, working a couple hours a day while this coronavirus thing is almost over, under quarantine. Let's eat some guacamole. Clean, keep clean, okay? But more importantly, while you're sitting at home during the coronavirus scare and all this fear is going on in the world under quarantine, the question I have for you is, how much money do you make online every day? All these other diseases out there, forget it. The number one thing you need to do right now is learn how to make money, and I have the plan right here. So keep listening if you're serious, and you need to make a serious change right now. This 5 steps. What to do, why are you gonna do it, where are you gonna do it, when you're gonna do it, and how are you gonna do it? How are you gonna make money after the coronavirus? Here's the 5 steps. I wrote them down. I even put the number 1 in red right there. How are you gonna do it? So are you a snoozer or are you a loser? If you're not a snoozer, why don't you contact me below? I dare you. Let's get on the phone. I'm not shy. I got the biggest balls in the world right now because I'm making money during the coronavirus sitting on my ass, not even a shirt on. Look, I didn't even want to wear a shirt all day. I talked to 13 people today. 2 people sent me money. How many people are sending you money every day? You want money sent to you every day? Credit card, debit card, cash, Western Union, MoneyGram, Exum, Remitly.com, PayPal. I've got 15 ways to make money every day during the coronavirus sitting on your ass at home 2 to 3 hours a day during quarantine. And if you don't believe that, fuck off. Get out of here, motherfucker. If you really want a broad scope and get brass balls on how to make money online during the toughest, hardest times ever, you contact me below. I will put you in business. I will kick your ass and I will make you money. Let's do it. Give me a comment. Send me your questions. Let's get on the phone. Let's talk live. I promise I'll help you. Or maybe I won't, because you don't do shit.